Good morning, another fantastic case for you today. This is a tummy tuck, and then this has an umbilical hernia repair. Our liposuction was especially important in getting rid of these rolls kind of right along the back. So we actually have a very extended tummy tuck this time. It goes all the way over to her hip over here, but we're going to remove all this stuff. We lifted the skin and the fat up off of the underlying muscles. We kept going. We went above her belly button all the way up to the ribs, and here where it's really loose, that's where her muscles are separated. And this bulge just stuff right here is a little hernia we're going to fix. So we're going to get rid of that, tighten her muscles, pull all this extra down, and we're going to have a nice result.